Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning into my 2615th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, please remember, if you don't know, please be aware of the risks involved in trading. This is a very seriously risky endeavor. Never trade without stops. Put your protective stops in first before you get into a long or short position. So, for trading on Thursday, August 3rd, 2023, we've got a red Omni. Now, in last night's video, I mentioned that we were heading down for another average test. What will happen when we get there? We'll find out. The Omni went neutral for trading on Wednesday, and now it is bearish for trading on Thursday. Let's add Wednesday's bar in and see if that average test actually happened. Well, that's Wednesday's bar right there. And let me just remove the stuff in front of it. And Wednesday's bar basically tells us that it fell through the average, broke through the trend line, right? I'll make that a little darker for you. You can see that. So we fell through the average and the trend line, and it's completely underneath both at the moment with a red Omni. So we're certainly selling rallies, at least for the onset of trading on Thursday, 8/3/2023. Interesting, though, I want you to keep something in mind. It's okay to get through the average and come right back up. It's okay to get through the average and come right back up. It's happened several times. Now, it's through the average and the trend line. We don't usually see that. So that makes it slightly different right here. Caught my attention, and Omni is red, so I wanted to share that with you. Remember that I am still in Rockland County. We just finished OmniCamp today, OmniCamp on the road, and it was fantastic. The students were unbelievably easy to teach, and I really enjoyed doing OmniCamp on the road. Now that I'm here in Rockland County, I have a free day tomorrow, and I'm doing an OMNIAC meetup tomorrow, or I should say today if you're watching the video on Thursday, in Rockland County. If you'd like to join me, it's 1 p.m. this afternoon, Thursday afternoon. OMNIACs are coming in from the tri-state area to get together. We'll have a little gathering, a little presentation, and a little party. If you'd like to join us, email me. I'll leave the link right below this video, or call the office, 702-629-4755, to ask for the address. But shoot me an email, and I will certainly get back to you. My email address will be underneath this video. And let me show you one more chart, kids. We're looking at about the same sort of look to it, if you will. And that's on this chart right here, the Apple chart. See that same average in the NASDAQ, that same trend line. Same thing happening in Apple. And remember how huge, how large of a component Apple is to our markets, especially the NASDAQ. So if NASDAQ's falling through and Apple's falling through, I guess we're falling through for a day or two. We'll take it one day at a time. The Omni is red on both NASDAQ and Apple. And remember to keep your emotions out of trading. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. I hope the video helps. I'll be back in paradise, being Las Vegas, on Friday night. I'll see you all from there. Remember, kids, stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you OMNIACs all day on Thursday. Looking forward to it past 1. I will see you there. If you don't know the address, go to that email below this video, and I will make sure you know where to find us. Thanks for tuning in.